Well, we're doing section 5.5, and now we're going to multiply polynomials. So here's our first one. Let me rewrite this. V minus 4 times 5v minus 2. And the first thing we're going to do is multiply first times first. So this is called the FOIL method, by the way. FOIL method. FOIL method. So v times 5v equals 5v. In fact, let me give myself a little more room here. Equals 5v squared. Now we'll multiply last times last, and that's negative 4 times negative 2. Well, that's going to be a negative times a negative is a positive, plus 8. Now we'll multiply inside times inside. Negative 4 times 5, positive 5v is going to be a negative 20v. And v times negative 2 is going to be a negative 2v. And when you add those up, you get a negative 22v. And it turns out there is our product. Let's do it again. And so here we have n minus 3 times n plus 3. And now first term times first term, that's going to be n times n is n squared. Last term times last term, minus 3 times plus 3 is a minus 9. Now the product of these two is negative 3n. The product of the outsides, n times 3 is 3n. And notice that adds up to 0. So this equals n squared minus 9. The middle term drops out. It was 0. We're not going to show it. N squared minus 9. Now, let's take this, 5x times x minus 7, which equals, and we're going to multiply 5x times x minus, and 5x times 7, which equals x times x is x squared. So we have 5x squared, and 7 times 5 is 35, and we still have this factor of x, and we are done. By the way, I have to circle that. Good. Done.